All right, coming to you live and direct. Third period. Hope everybody has a great break. Let's get this thing started. All right, so election day is December the 6th. That is a remote or asynchronous day. Teachers do not report due to the election. Please remember to vote, guys. Put it on your calendars. Election day, December the 6th, is a remote or asynchronous day. Teachers do not report due to the election. IR documentation. So IR teachers are in the process of completing the IEPs. So you're going to get a note from your co-teacher or people who are on the caseload. It's going to say PLOPS, P-L-O-P-S. Make sure that you respond to this. Look, now IRR teachers have an incredibly difficult task. As those of you who are on the video see, please get back to them with necessary information immediately, okay? We don't want to be the ones that are holding this up. This is required information by the federal and state government. Please don't be on the wrong side of the law. Dun, dun, dun. Please put the information in. All right, WIG teams. These are teams which are meeting every week using a scoreboard metric to determine and catalyze progress. So we have the safety WIG team. We have a core 4 WIG team focusing on unit assessments. We have a grade rate and attendance WIG team. We have a freshman pass rate team and a student sense of belonging. Yo, if you're interested in any of these, please let me know and I'll get in touch with the person who can help you and we will put you on this team. All right? The school desperately needs our input, desperately needs our help. All right. Hall sweeps are coming, right? No one will know when they're coming, right? But they're coming soon. Pizza party, pizza party, pizza party, pizza party. All right, put this on your calendars, guys. All students who are passing all classes will receive a pizza party on December 19th. Now, obviously, we know that today is could change, right? You know, what all plans are possible, right? But look, to help people out, please make sure that the grades are updated by then, because the last thing we want is somebody coming to your room and being like, I was supposed to be a part of the pizza party and you didn't put the grades in. What aren't you about, Mr. Patterson? Right? Look, everyone loves pizza, right? Let's make sure that all of our students who have turned in the work get opportunities to enjoy the pizza party. All right. Final exams, part 1. Outside 11th grade American literature, no one is going to be required to give final exams. Students should not be sitting for exam time doing nothing. Either recovery or acceleration should be the main options. Now, due to pacing and counting requirements, 11th grade is required to give exams. Let me say that again, okay? Due to pacing and counting requirements, 11th grade is required to give exams. Now, we're going to be very, very specific here. These are the most important slides. It is up to a teacher's discretion if students can opt out of exams if they have an A or a B. I'm saying that again. It is up to teacher's discretion if students can opt out of exams if they have an A or a B. Now, we're encouraging all teachers to use this time to allow students to make up work which has been missed. This can be done asynchronously. You can have your students make up missing work during the final exam period. Remember, acceleration or recovery. All right? Those are the easiest ways to do this. Now, if you want to give an exam, that is absolutely your right to do so. There's going to be much more clarifying info given by Dr. Stamper. Please see me or reach out if you have any questions. I know this is a complicated idea. If you're still like, oh, I don't know about this, please reach out and ask me. All right. Grading expectations. This is truly important, okay? Make sure you post your grades every day of finals. For instance, after Tuesday's final, the expectation is for you to post Tuesday's grades before you leave. Please check in with me once your grades have been loaded every final day. I'm going to say this again. Please listen, guys. Make sure you post your grades every day of finals, okay? After Tuesday's final, you don't want to leave till you have Tuesday's grades uploaded and posted. Check in with me every day once your grades have been uploaded. Now, here's the deal. Okay, let's say you have a student who's struggling but does a lot of work over the break. It's no problem at all. All you have to do is enter the grades and repost them. Look, we want to give our students every opportunity to succeed. Please, right? Give them work if they want to do it over the break. right? And please don't be afraid to update your grades. But we need all the grades posted, like for Tuesday's finals on Tuesday. All right, here we go. Mini conferences, right? That's where parents come around and ask questions. Please mark your calendars. That's November the 29th from 4 to 6. Mini conferences, November the 29th from 4 to 6. All right, so this one is really, really important to me. Miss Moreland was a sort of a preeminent influence on my teaching career. Really loved her. She's tremendous. She passed recently. And so our Alternative Learning Center, which is where the Safe Center was last year, right by the CBI ramp, is named after her, right? It's recognized as the best alternative learning center in the county. They keep sending stuff out, right? Miss Barnes does an unbelievable job. So if you see Miss Barnes, thank her because she does tremendous work. All right, so look, but here's the part of it, right? Make sure your students have assignments on teams which they can complete if they're placed in the CMA. That's the easiest way to do it. Make sure there's a couple things on teams that you can do. Make sure your students have assignments on teams they can complete if they're placed in the CMA. Now, if your students complete work which is standards-based because you didn't send any down, you are required to put those grades in their grade book. I'm going to say this again. If your students complete work which is standards-based, you're required to put those grades in the grade book. Now, I hope everybody has a great break. Here's a sign-in sheet. If you have any questions about any of this, please, please, please let me know, right? Hope everyone enjoys themselves, gets a lot of rest. Have a great rest of the day, and have a great break. See you when you get back. Thank you so much for all of your hard work. I really, really appreciate you.